Folks, just a few clouds in our skies today, but for the most part, it's been a blue sky day with some wind and very warm temperatures. This is the latest satellite imagery and shows a good batch of clouds going by to the south right now, but that's about it. Future track keeps it relatively quiet tonight. Just patchy clouds show up again. Tomorrow's mostly sunny again. Sea breeze tries to activate, but notice it's just a couple of clouds, not much more than that. Probably another dry day. Wednesday, things begin to change a little bit. A little more moisture gets in the mix. You start to see spotty showers show up ahead of or along that sea breeze, and that's probably just the beginning. I think beyond that, our chance of rain is going to go up and may go up quite a bit. And let's go out and look at why. Across the state of Texas, not much going on, but the big ridge that's been kind of controlling things is going to lift off to the north a little bit. And what that's going to do is open the door for tropical moisture to come in. And it just so happens now there's some tropical moisture out there to come in our direction. Starting Wednesday, I think the sea breeze becomes a little more active. By Thursday and Friday, more and more moisture starts to come in. And I think our rain chances are really going to be with us starting Wednesday to a small degree and then significantly higher from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, probably all the way into early next week as that moisture comes up out of the Caribbean across the southwestern Gulf, and some of it comes right into South Texas. So it looks like a good shot at some rain. Here's the system we're talking about, and if you've been watching social media, you've seen that there have been models that have been taking this mess of stuff and turning it into a hurricane, putting it up here somewhere next week. We don't see that happening, but what we do see is a tropical wave moving off to the west, and the Hurricane Center is giving it a 10 to 20% chance of developing out 5 days. But 5 days from now, whatever's left of this will already be probably on the coast over here somewhere by Friday into Saturday. So a slight chance of some development, maybe up to a depression or something like that. Probably not much more than that. Most of the moisture just comes across the Yucatan Peninsula, gets into the southwestern Gulf, and eventually spreads itself into northeast Mexico and giving South Texas some pretty good rain as well. So for the most part, I think we're looking at a rainmaker out here. I don't think we're looking at much more than that, but it bears watch, just like anything does this time of year. Here's what our rain chances do. We go dry 20-40, and then I think from Friday on, they're going to be with us at least 40%, maybe even higher than that. Here are your current temperatures. We're looking at upper 90s across the area right now. Rio Grande City at 100. That's the warm spot. Overnight lows tonight drop back to around 80 or so. This morning our low was 80, and tomorrow back up in the upper 90s again, 100 again in Rio Grande City. So this is the way it looks. Tonight under partly cloudy skies, warm and muggy, an average low of 79. Then tomorrow, kind of a mix of clouds and sun, but still plenty of sunshine, still breezy, still hot, 97 degrees. Here's your 7-day forecast now, and we bring in that chance of thunderstorms isolated on Wednesday and then more frequent starting Thursday and lasting all the way through the weekend. That cools the temperatures off a little bit. This could be a pretty good rain event for us if this tropical moisture comes in as advertised right now, with a lot of places picking up some pretty decent rain between really Thursday and the early part of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.